Hello, folks. Good morning or maybe afternoon. Welcome to XM Live Education. This is the advanced room. Once per week, you have the chance to guess the trade with me, Stanislav Kolev, and also my partner in crime, Junior Vahid. Very active, very intensive trading session. Before we get there, Junior, good morning. Good to see you. How is it going? How is your trading week?
Hello,
How
good
is
to see
life?
you. Everything is great. Um, since beginning of the week, I'm kind of picking the trades, and few trades I have. I even had moment where I didn't have any trade, which is rare thing, and it feels good.
This week,
Yes, it feels good. I closed everything, everything closed, and then joined again. Again, I have quite a lot trades, fresh new trades from yesterday or from today also. But yeah, I saw the account without any trade, which is a fun. So everything
th-
is fine. Everything is nice. Waiting for the session. And
this didn't happen to me for I can't say how long. Really, even when I was in on the trip last month in Paris, I was still maintaining some position. Of course, smaller trades, not to distract me from the journey, but there has to be something there, you know. You have it. I mean, mostly when there is opportunities and this year there really a lot. I see that the chat is new. Do you
yeah,
see
yeah.
black chat? Okay.
Emojis, deletes.
You could delete your own
Yeah.
message. Okay. Oh, it works. Okay. Uh, Good morning to Boyki and V. Hi, Julian Stan. Greeting, gentlemen. Psych for guess the trade dollar Mexican peso. We're gonna start. Okay, that's great.
That's yes, true. Yeah.
That's great. For the people that don't know, the ideas for this session is to prove that no matter of the market conditions, there is always a possibility to anticipate position and potentially generate profit. Um, I still have running trades from previous sessions. I will not share them now in order not to jeopardize, but I gotta say that sometimes it's so good and it's so great that it's even better than waiting for our trading system. And it's exactly because you will have to squeeze your best to make the best possible trade out of a instrument that you may never have opened. Um, so yeah, just bring it on. We're gonna trade at least one per viewer, and then as soon as we get all the viewers being traded, we're gonna trade your second, third, fifth, as many as you have shared in the chat. And I see Boyk is also giving. I'm gonna keep the
Ooh,
cheat
we have a
sheet
lot.
here. Yes, V dollar Mexican peso, dollar rand,
We
oil cash. Then we have Boyki Aussie cat, Aussie Japanese yen, and Euro New Zealand. And Ioannis is also with us. Good morning, Ioannis. Your instruments, please. Junior, you ready?
with dollar Mexican peso?
Dollar peso.
No, I'm listening you.
That's great. You'll learn nothing from this, so you better not.
Reading comments. Okay.
Mm.
Mexican peso.
Ioannis is only looking for gold. Yesterday, I was looking also at it. Didn't have any trades there. And I was thinking that in the last, there is no other instrument that have been telling a story consistently for so extended period of time with gold. This is so severe constant uptrend for like 6 months from beginning of October,
Since Trump got
November,
elected,
December, January, February, March, April. Even before that,
it started here.
even before, yeah. Um, incredible, incredible performers. And Oh, actually, November 23, from here, we're constant uptrend. And if you look open on daily, since Trump election is even stronger. This is incredible performance. Absolutely outstanding. Um, it's getting parabolic now. So we're gonna trade gold for you. Wow, that's a little wild for me. You ready with dollar
Uh,
peso? You forgot
no,
again,
I
huh?
didn't. I'm not. Okay, I will. I will do what. Who is asking for dollar peso?
V, vendetta.
I think we've
Our
discussed it
vendetta here.
yesterday with him or with somebody. I'm ready.
Um, you have a sell. Stop above this high. Impulsive move, corrective move, breakout of the trend line, stop above the high. I could follow this if I have to visualize this, something like this. Short, stop here. First target, this previous structure low is a good zone to take profit. Risk to reward is 1 to 3, and it could get further lower. Actually, yeah, this might be some good indication for reversal. We got, for me, we have a uptrust, even climactic, kind of climactic move. Yeah, it looks bearish. Tariff pulse seems to be working good for Mexican peso, and the market have been pricing in multiple rate cuts from Fed. US dollar massive devaluation. This euro dollar trades that I have and dollar Japanese yen are, oh, sorry. Yes, I was a forget what I said. Yes, that's you now.
I'm sharing.
Yeah, please. 'Cause it's so ridiculous. Exactly.
Um, I don't
Perfect.
have anything else. Yesterday we discussed it that the price it's looking more bearish, but at the same time, I don't like to trade this one. It's so choppy at the top, looks heavy. Rejections here, decline, retest. It's bearish looking, but I don't enjoy trading it so much, guys. It's not so nice price action for me. Yeah, it's bearish.
Yup. Shall we go for the next instrument, which is Aussie Cat? Okay, I have to do this.
Aussie cut. Okay.
If you wanna get down. Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm moving, starting from the weekly chart. There is a major support here, false breakout below that, getting back in the structure, moving to the daily chart. This was the Trump postponing the tariff move, and then yesterday, a little bit inertia, but didn't manage to close above the previous day's high. And today it's pulling back. 4 hours chart, looking bearish here on the lower time frame, like a false breakout, getting back in the structure, looks sell here. Yeah, I think he's selling. There is a clear reversal pattern. The problem with this reversal pattern is the target. If there is a 30 to 60 pips on average 50 pips target, the stop also is 30 to 50 pips, if not even the higher level, if he believes in the bearish trend here. Maybe short term sell, or usually he could buy if the market gets back in the structure here from this false breakout as support, but we don't have something like this. 30 minutes breaking down, 15 minutes going down, so we don't have close above the structure high, so it's a sell in my opinion. Stop above, probably on the 15 minutes above this high or even above this rejections. Target, probably first target here and second target within this consolidation. something like this or like this. I think he's selling. For buying, there is no signal here. The market is below the level. If he has to buy, he has to put a little bit more imagination into that. The price is going to get back in the structure, and but we don't have it right now. So I don't know. I say sell, but let's see.
Let's see
15
it.
minute sell.
I, it's
Oh,
even
4 hour sell.
smaller distribution here. Yeah, I don't have it, but the candlestick configuration is showing that we're getting bearish. We got an upthrust, smaller distribution here into the bigger structure, which currently we have an upthrust on this. This whole small distribution is the upthrust. We're rejecting to go up. Does look bearish. I think that we have some potential to exhaust further down. Maybe major spring here will be a reason for a long, but I don't have this information. So exactly.
Next one.
Next one,
Which? Gold.
gold. Ah, this is Ioannis. He just mentioned that, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Celiso, thank you so much for tuning in. Dow Jones, good morning to you. Celiso,
I'm ready.
US 30. Also, Eurodollar, how do you see an uptrend? More to go. This is from Ioannis. I put your second instrument. You traded
Yes.
gold. There's nothing to do. 4 hour, 1 hour. Oh, 4 hour. Yes, buy stop below the current 4 hour candle. Nice pin bar. Of course, we have 45 minutes, but I think that there's some good reason to protect it. There is also possibility for Juni to put stop loss below this current 15-minute candle that's just gonna close in 33 seconds. There's also good possibility in case that the market reverses and start pulling back. Yeah, I say 15-minute stop loss is more relevant because it's kind of formal, so he wants to get out as soon as if it reverse. Yeah,
Let me share.
let you share. Oh yes, even the stop loss. You see, when it change, sometimes it's change for good.
I am super bullish on gold. I expect 3,500, 4,000 levels next cycle. But before that, we're going to complete this current impulse. After that, by some reason, gold is going to make a pullback. When it makes a pullback, it's going to finish the next rally, which for me was 3,200-ish area. Is going to extend more to 33. I think that the next rally, it's going to hit 4,000, 3,500 to 4,000. I cannot be very accurate with the levels because dynamics are very important. Um, I am. This is the only very confident instrument that I'm following for quite some time for a bullish trend. Why do I place then that tight stop loss? Because it's already did huge move and easily it can change to make a correction here. I don't know when the corrective cycle will start. It must start around this level. So this long might not be the best, but because the momentum currently was pushing up, so I cannot sell. I need to wait for sell signal in order to sell it. If there is a sell signal, where is my stop loss? So price to drop here. This is going to confirm local double top. I'm going to sell it. I think there will be a lower low completing the correction, and I will be buying the dip with a more confident entry and cheaper price for huge rally.
With bigger risk as
Bigger
well.
risk, but here probably not. I'm usually having big exposure here. Um, yeah, classic risk I'm gonna use.
I mean, a lower price, better
Yes,
entry, bigger
classic.
risk to reward,
Yeah,
bigger
standard risk.
risks. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I'm gonna go for a big rally, but not with one trade. Probably I'm gonna keep trying to catch the swings, which it's my style for trading.
Taka Mina Migoda. We have Dow Jones Industrial Average. I trade. Juni have to guess it. I'm gonna go for a cash contract. Um, Everybody else that's watching that didn't bring any instruments, correct your mistake. this now.
Which instruments do you
42.
trade?
Da-da.
Dow
Dow.
Jones, yeah.